Okay guys, we've got the Panasonic, this is the pull down clothes rack that mounts to the wall. Now I've got one of these in my house. One of the things about it that's interesting, it's got these little brackets right here that are supposed to mount to the wall. But they can only mount, we've only got a few inches of space that they can mount in. And if your stud spacing is off, this mounting bracket won't hit a stud or it won't hit this area here. So what I've done is I've made a template in Cabinet Vision for this, and it pre-drills a hole for the brackets. Got to adjust it. This one, they came out backwards, but we've pre-drilled where the holes go. The nice thing about this is that they're even on this board, and now we're going to mount this board to the wall, and we can just level it, and that way we can hit studs anywhere across here and still have that securely fastened to the wall. Is what I found out is if you put these in the wall with just the sheetrock anchors that we use, that you'll put a few clothes on it and it'll pull down and possibly damage it. So that's how we want to avoid it. So we've got this, is what you're going to do is you're going to install these brackets here with the hooks facing up to the dots. Those dots there are for the little piece that goes on the top. After we've got it installed, that's going to hold from lifting off the brackets. So let me go install it and I'll show you how that works. So we're going to go ahead and install one of these Panasonic pull downs on this end wall here. And this is a perfect example. Is that the stud layout on that is we've got one that's 13 inches in from the end, and then one that's 36 inches. That centers it in that opening. If we were left to the mounting brackets on this guy here, we would not catch either one of those studs. We would have to use Molly screws and it wouldn't hold. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up now. Okay, so we've got our board mounted here. We've got 4 screws into the studs. We already had the brackets on there. I'm just going to set it in place. Okay, we've set it in place. There's 2 little L brackets that hang down. You're going to put 1 screw in the top here, and that's going to hold it down to where it can't lift off. And if you put that in there, tighten it down, it keeps it from moving from side to side, so it's securely fastened there. And looks really good. You don't even see the bracket hardly. And it's securely fastened to the wall, not going to come down.